A Georgia tag-switching case ended in a 10-year felony. Here's how that happened. The core statute is Georgia Code 16814, theft by shoplifting. It expressly criminalizes altering a price tag to deprive the owner of an item's true value. Intent is usually the fight, not here. Real-time registered data and the store's price database prove it on paper. The decisive provision is subsection B1C, the recidivist, enhancement. A fourth shoplifting conviction is a felony, 1 to 10 years, regardless of dollar value. She had 3 priors. Offense 4 exposed her to the full max.
Been here since 6 o'clock in the morning.
Good Lord.
Both units back in service. Verbal only status.
See, that one, she added something on that. She stuck something in there.
Are you able to see the whatever she's scanning?
See, that has a different tag on it. See, $1, that she got late. They told that is $29. So maybe she didn't mean to go scan that $30. Call in, so I did let them know, leave her alone. She took that $30 one.
She can see a lot.
It's boy's t-shirt for $3.98. That's pants.
Walmart don't play.
This one, she didn't get a chance to go and change the tag on this one.
So is that stuff that she's not going to ring up?
Yeah, because she took some tags out of this clothing right here. She had more than that. She had more than that. Now she want to pay cash.
So are y'all just going to count towards her theft, the things that she rung up and altered, like the boys' tee? Do y'all do like the difference, or do y'all do the total?
Well, what we do is we refund whatever she scanned, and then I will charge her with
the full price of the
full
pants?
price. Yes. I guess she's still debating what else do you want to take.
There's southbound lane, the Honda Accord kicking out of the roadway.
Yeah.
She left $1.
Alright, let's go nab her. Where's she going?
Where's she going? She's going to get a card. Yeah. Okay. Grab it.
Walmart Central.
Gift cards.
Ground Council Superior pulling her for jury trial.
You want to come with us?
Why? Why? What did I do wrong?
Go speak in the office. We can go speak in the office.
Okay.
Sir. I'll take this with us. Alright, we'll just leave it here for right now.
Am I going to jail?
We'll talk in the office over here.
These officers have no idea the tricks she's about to pull within the next few moments inside the loss prevention room.
Have a seat for me. Have a seat right here. No, right here.
You have an ID card there?
No, ma'am. What did I do wrong? I didn't steal anything.
You changed tags, didn't you?
I did. Ma'am, please don't press charges. I got the kids, everything coming up. Please, ma'am, don't.
You got your ID?
I don't. Please don't make me go to jail.
What's your name?
Amanda Barber.
Hold on.
Hey.
Man.
Next, section 16721, criminal trespass. Entering after a written ban is a completed crime at the door. She committed before touching any merchandise. Then section 161024, obstruction. Georgia courts treat flight from a lawful stop command as sufficient. Her run added the charge and aggravated sentencing. 2 constitutional points. Her confession came before Miranda. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, spontaneous statements are admissible. It cannot be suppressed.
Stop! You're gonna get tased! You better stop! My kids! I'm so sorry! Put your hands behind your back now. I'm so sorry! Put your hands behind your back. Now, that's for sure.
Well, get him.
Stop!
I'm so sorry.
Stop moving!
I'm so sorry. I'm definitely going to jail.
Stop moving!
I'm sorry. Will I get a bond when I get there?
You grab my body cam.
Yeah.
Please don't make me go. No.
You ran!
I promise. Please, the kids, the holiday's coming up.
That's on you.
I'm going to jail, ain't I?
Oh, yeah.
Will I get a bond?
Sure.
Today, will I get a bond?
Hey, hold her real quick.
Can I bond myself out?
Stop asking questions right now.
Would y'all have really taken me to jail even if I wouldn't have ran?
Well, you lost the possibility of not.
We don't know. That would have been on her. If it was just some pants, probably not.
Can I call someone to come get me?
Nope. You can wait.
Do y'all let people bond themselves out? I'm sorry I ran, y'all. I went home.
If you just want to put her in the back of my car,
No, I can go back in your car.
sit with her.
Can I go back in your
No,
car?
you're going to the car.
I'm sorry.
Have a seat.
Can I buy myself out with that money?
Look, this is going in your pocket,
Yes, sir.
and I'm giving him this.
Okay.
That's what you left in the machine.
Stupid.
I know Amanda Barber from years ago. She got caught shoplifting years ago. When
It's not her.
was still here. It's not her? It's not Amanda?
Oh, I don't know. I was asking. I might.
Public Works in around 10 minutes with barrels and other equipment.
But that's 2 years ago. No, but we caught her years ago. When Mark was still here.
1913.
If that's her real name, Amanda Barber.
Can you try to get her name and date of birth again?
What's your name and date of birth?
Amanda Barber,
What was the year?
1986.
Amanda Barber. 1913 Central. Code 5 name, date of birth.
God.
Amanda Barber. 86? 86, white female.
I'm sorry.
Clear.
You don't have to apologize.
Holidays are coming up. I got kids for the holidays. I shouldn't have. Why did I do that?
All right, hang tight.
Will I get a warrant or a bond when I get up here?
Possibly, but you probably won't even get one until you go to the county.
Can I bond myself out?
I'm sure you can.
I'm sorry. Are y'all going to charge me with running?
Yes.
Is that a misdemeanor?
Yes.
What is it called?
Obstruction.
Amanda Barber out of LJ is valid negative. She's showing 25 kids at Paul and a TPO that states she is banned from Walmart on Watson.
And trespass.
Is that another charge?
Yeah.
Clear.
You're already banned.
Hard.
You knew you were trespassed from Walmart's. Good God. I'll leave this unlocked.
All right.
Is that her?
Yeah. She was trespassed already. So we'll get her for the trespass.
So you got, I can't access her old file.
I just have...
She was on our old APIS case. I remember her years ago. Years ago. When her babies were little, she was stealing like makeup and stuff like that. And we sent her to jail 2 years ago.
On force, Graham versus Connor controls. Verbal warning, no. Taser, soft hand control, no injuries.
Are they getting the amount?
Yes,
Right.
yeah, they're doing them out.
It's too early for this.
Too early, you're right. And I said, just such a dummy. Why would you go run? So why did she stop over here? I guess because she can't cross over there? I don't know.
I told her she was going to get tased.
Oh,
I wasn't going to, but I usually get some...
they stopped.
Yeah.
She took off running. She crazy.
Too early.
Right, too early for that.
Am I going to jail? You are now?
You are now.
You actually had a chance to not.
You have more.
Thank you.
Got it.
Do you want me to do, oh, I still have to do her refund. Do you want me to take an account for all of the tags that she tore off? Or just the attempted?
Just the one that went through the register. And I need those merchandise too. The one that she
Yeah,
stole.
that was in her pocket.
Okay. So 78.86. So she's trespassed too?
Yep.
Yeah, at least 10 years ago when they got her. So she's been coming in here. She looks different now.
Yeah, it looked like she was banned from a lot of stores, like Academy and I think Target.
Really?
Yeah.
For me. But you know, we don't, you don't have to go burn anything under this. You can view our file.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, appreciate you. Safe out there.
Yeah. No more today. You did too much. Or at least wait till after lunch.
Okay.
See ya. We're good.
Later.
It's too early for this. What do you mean? Did you give her her slides back?
I'll put them in the front.
Oh. Why?
I don't know.
On the floorboard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. That coffee's not really agreeing with me now.
Yeah, we'll get some more. I'm drinking an energy drink.
Yeah.
Want to get a bond today?
I don't know, ma'am. That's something that the jail and the courts deal. I don't do that. You'll find out when you go to Perry.
Take these off the curb.
We will when we get in there.
227. Has been Paul Cow.
Right here.
Out of Warner Robinson.
Lawful. Grades. Officers. B+. Clean contact. Minimal force. But they left her unsecured near a door. Loss prevention. A-. Textbook work. Docked for not enforcing the ban at entry. The subject, D, banned, confessed, ran. Each choice pushed her toward the maximum sentence. 3 lessons. Recidivist enhancements are dollar blind. Priors follow you for life. A written trespass ban is a standalone crime, not a formality. And the correct response to police contact is silence and counsel. Never confession, never flight. Tell us what to break down next. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel.